Good morning everyone, this is Ian from the Lullaby Studio and today we have a 2 weeks baby girl. Ayan, umiiyak na siya. Okay, ayan, settle ko muna. Kakatapos lang niya magdede. So, we have again a 2.5 na baby girl, 2.5 weeks na baby girl, no? So, hopefully, she's sleepy baby para magawa natin lahat ng request ni mommy. Usually, my setup depends sa parents, no? I usually ask them kung may mga specific poses or setups that they would like to recreate na nakikita nila sa aking gallery. So, ngayon, medyo may mga binigay sa akin si mommy. So, hopefully, magawa muna natin. Since sleepy si baby today, ngayon, we will try to do yung mga hardest poses muna. Actually, yung mga ni-request naman ni mommy, hindi naman siya sobrang hirap kasi parang wala yatang nakadapa. Okay? So, again, enjoy this video again.
Sa session na ito, baby was experiencing growth spurt. Teka, ano nga ba ang growth spurt? Growth spurt is a sudden increase of appetite ni baby and this usually start as early as their 10th day according sa mga pediatricians. During the early days ng newborn, kasing liit lang ng kalamansi ang kanilang stomach until it expands. Kaya during this phase, mas frequent sila magdede lalo na pag exclusive na breastfed lang si baby. FYI, breast milk is easier to digest than formula. During their growth spurt phase, mas sensitive ang newborn during this stage. Mas madali silang ma-stimulate. Kaya nga during the pre-session consultation, I do recommend na feed on demand ang baby nila during the newborn session. So literally, I'm wrapping things up here. These are the last setups before we do the family portraits.
So, after almost 3 hours, 2.5 hours, no, natapos rin tayo kay baby girl. Hindi na ako nakapag-video kasi medyo kailangan na rin mag-lunch nila client, no, 1 o'clock na at this time. So, we really had a slow start kasi currently, si baby girl is nag-growth spurt siya. So, hingi siya ng dede. And fortunate for me, after 30 minutes na pacifying the baby, nag-calm down na, nag-settle naman siya. So, after nun, halos dire-diretso na kami, especially nung nag-wrap poses na kami. Sometimes, we do not expect yung plan natin to be perfect kasi with the newborn, most of the time, yung pace talaga nila ang susundin natin, no? May mga times that we have to stop. There are times that we have to pause, no? And it's okay, no? Kasama sa trabaho natin yan. So again, just be patient. Keep your energy positive. Move forward lang. Kung hindi siya pwede sa ganung gusto ni client na pose, then we will move forward to a different one. Again, ang priority pa rin natin is yung safety and comfort ng newborn. Now, if you'd like to know more about us, make sure to follow us on our socials. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Just search for The Lullaby Studio. So again, this is Ian, and thank you so much for watching.